So the HVR installation on the wall, here we already got the track assembly bolted securely with 15 anchors into the wall here. 5/8 of an inch off the driveway floor here to allow any potential movement of the actual driveway. First thing he's doing is actually removing the cover so he has access to a bolt. So when he puts a spring bar on, it actually has the bolts on it, he has access to that bolt area. He's going to remove the actual carriage assembly in a moment and install the actual springs into the unit with the spring bar. So he's connecting the actual springs to the spring bar, and then they're going to feed the springs into the actual back frame chassis. So he's connected this lower bolt right here in place to connect this all together, and then they're going to raise this entire unit, connecting these up to the top section over here. You see he's got two of them on, puts the cover over top. Once the unit raises up, he doesn't have access to that side anymore, so he has to make sure he connects them tightly. And he lifts up the third and fourth spring. As you notice, the unit is now raised in its upper position. Now they can put the rest of the covers back on. Put the side cover back on the carriage unit. Put the next cover over the spring assembly unit. Now he's going to put the extension on the front side of the nose. The unit is mechanically ready to go. Now the only next step is to complete the electrical work or connect those junction boxes off the cable off to the side with the electrician later on in the next step.